I'll show you what I got. So what I have today is a humble little guessing game for purposes of testing of, say, psychic abilities. It's really simple. One person will be making a suggestion, and the other person will be making a prediction. And then, if you get it right, you log the score and you track the record of where people have landed. Now you can also swap the suggester and the predictor. So you can take turns. If one person's better at one thing, one person's better at the other. We keep records of success for suggestions and predictions. So this may be in a state of already running. Well, it is definitely in a state of already running. So let's get to it. I will share my Visual Studio Code. All right. So everybody can see the screen? I'm going to assume that's a yes.
It's a yes.
All right. So this developed in talking to Bear yesterday, and our affinity for luck magic, and really at the core of it, my love of backgammon involves the playing with the randomness and the calling of dice rolls, etc. And so stripping it down to a more base state, having this predictor game is that outcome. And I just made it work between last night and tonight, or this morning. So the code is a little elementary, you might say. So in our game state, we're tracking the current suggestion and then just the stats on player 1 and 2's suggestion and prediction attempts, and whether or not player 1 is suggesting for swapping purposes. We initialize our board, everything's a 0, player 1 starts by default. Rendering, pretty straightforward. We're either waiting for a suggestion or we're waiting for a prediction, and then we print out the records accordingly. And then here, let's see who's starting. I think my other window here is starting. Let's go ahead and make a suggestion. Right now I did these as unsigned ints, but that could easily be a string. And so if we wanted to predict, say, colors or objects or symbols or other concepts in some way, one might do that. For now, we'll go with numbers. And to do this test right, what we'll do is starting off simple, we'll use 1 and 0 for true or false. I'm going to put in a suggestion here, and then I'm going to switch the screen over to the other one. Bear, look away for a moment while I make this, and then I'm going to have you tell me your prediction of which one it is. We are logging our suggestion. Move cast successfully, waiting for gossip. Okay, so we have a suggestion in there. Switch over. Okay, Bear. Prediction. Wait. Let me send you something.
Okay, I wasn't seeing it. What are my?
You're just gonna say aloud yes or no, true or false, what you think, and then I'm going to type in your prediction here, and we'll see how it matches out. Okay.
Wait, so it's just Boolean? I'm predicting whether you sent me true or false?
Yeah, 1 or 0. True or false?
1.
Suggestion not set. Oh! Suggestion was totally set. All right. Live demos.
The demo gods will be pleased.
Let's see. Maybe we'll start with a fresh game. I did have a good record there. As you can see, it would wait for that, and assuming we didn't error on that, we do have suggestions and predictions. Let's see. How do we? Let's do it this way. We're gonna come back.
Is this through the CLI?
It is.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're coming back. We're gonna start a new game is what we're gonna do. This agent address. So here we go. New game. This guy. Okay, we got our game. I'm gonna copy this guy over here. Fresh scores and all, that's great. Okay. Join game. Minus that guy. All right, we are waiting for a suggestion. We're waiting for a suggestion from player 1, which I believe is this other terminal. So we're going to make a move of just suggestion. Not your turn. All right. All right. And colon. All right, this time we're going to do a number from 1 to 10.
Okay.
Assuming that this suggestion takes, move cast successfully. All right. So this guy is going to be making a guess.
Am I guessing now?
And the prediction is, oh, damn. Yes. Go ahead and make your guess.
All right. 1 to 10?
Yes, sir.
Five.
Survey says that was unsuccessful. It was 4, though. That was close. So your suggestion record, my suggestion record is 0 for 1. Your prediction record is also 0 for 1. That's our game, but we can also make move. Let's try this the other way, see if it's more successful with you sending me something.
That's going to be impossible because you have to type it in.
Oh, darn, you're right. Okay, well, I'm just going to show that we can make a move of swap. Swap. This might say it's not my turn. Rude. The person whose turn it is has to call for the swap. All right, so now I was waiting for suggestion. So there you go. That's my little guessing game as we got it.
So good.
Well, that's great. Amazing demo. And yeah, it was cool to see something like outside of the theme of just like board games. A bit more kind of esoteric.
I was excited because it was an easy thing to pull together, and thanks for making the setup for that easy. I did make some progress on the backgammon. I just got excited about this narrowing of focus, and I found a published secure dice roll algorithm in Java, specifically using crypto hashes and each person signing it and taking that, and it was specifically for programming backgammon as well. In a scenario where you have 2 players, you don't necessarily trust the dice roll. So more to come on that eventually.
Good stuff. Thanks, Peter.